Okay, in this segment, we're going to talk about Roxy, and we've been going through uninstalling programs, and one of the reasons why we uninstall programs has to do with learning curves. You have a lot of things to learn, a lot of programs, a lot of things are going on, and so you have to really be economical with your times, the time that you have to learn different things. I know a lot of people don't really get creative because they're just intimidated with this heavy learning curve. So, and especially when you're only going to be having something on your computer for 60 days, and then you don't have the money to buy it. So one of the reasons that we have eliminated the Roxy, we're assuming that we don't have the resources to stay with the program, and we don't want to put the time into learning. We want to download some simple shareware, freeware program that just absolutely gets out there and burns CDs and does something for us real quick, and then we don't have to hassle. We can get functionality, and that's the word. So we're going to check out and see what's going on now. You can see right here that I've just finished taking off Roxy, my DVD Basic. And that's DVD editing software. If you're not ready for it, we can let that go. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to go down here to Firefox. We're going to launch that, and we're going to look for a program called Image Burn. Now we're going to go to this Google window, and we're just going to type in IMG and just burn, and we're going to say search, and the window will say, do you want to do something on an unprotected site? The first one that comes up is the one we want, the official website. And here you go, and you can spend some time saying what it is. This thing can read an image to the disk. It can build an image from files on your computer network. It can write an image to a disk. It can verify. There's a lot of things that this program can do, and it is free shareware. I think it's just free, but we want to go to and find out, and we want to download this program. And remember, we have this everything pointing. I think you go down to this window, and you see, say, click here for download.